Good morning. Hiking along. I have Sarge behind me. And we left camp probably about 5:45. It's just after 6. A little darkish, but it's good. It's been hot lately. We're heading up to Mount Laguna today. Last night I went to go charge my phone and the charging port broke in my phone. So the cord broke in the port, yeah. So my phone is at 10% at the moment. So there may not be much viewing today. It's on airplane mode, but it still goes through a lot of battery. So anyway, here we are. Here we go. It's going to be a great day. Hopefully I can take you along for a little bit. It's a little after 8 o'clock and this is our little stream, and we had second breakfast here. We've been climbing up this little water source and it's kind of been chilly. It's been nice. So here's our little spot where we kind of hung out. I ate 2 fig bars, 2 oranges. I got snacks to eat along, but we only have 3.5 miles to Laguna, Mount Laguna. Got to do some chores. Change in elevation. We've climbed up. We're almost up to Mount Laguna, but we're in pine trees. Check that out. So instead of cacti, we're now in pine tree land, which is really awesome. A little bit cooler up here. So yeah, I think it's great. There's pine needles on the trail. Road walking in Mount Laguna, heading to the store. We've had breakfast, we've had lunch, and now we're on for a resupply. Should be good. It's a good day in town. It's a little windy, but these are our views today. Came out of Mount Laguna after spending some good time, and now these are our views. Skirting the hillside. Love a good skirt when I'm hiking. So yeah, I just think that is so pretty out there. It is super windy here. Putting up my tent was like putting up a parachute in the wind. Oh. Anyway, I've got all my stakes held down by large rocks, which were provided in the area. Imagine that. So we're all gonna, you can see a couple other tents. We're all gonna hunker down tonight and stay out of the wind. But up over there, I'm hopefully gonna get a view for you later on to see the sunset up there. It is gorgeous. It's all the desert down there. So hopefully we'll get that later on. So catch you later. Sitting in my tent. It's a little chilly. And just hoping that it doesn't blow over in the night. It's pretty calm right now. I thought I'd catch it when it was really windy. Oh. It's still not very windy. No, still not very windy. Anyway, I'm hoping it would calm down, but it hasn't yet. So, any bets on if my tent stays up or not during the night? How confident are you? On a scale of 1 that it's totally solid, to 10 that it's going to completely blow away. Earlier I said a 1.5, 2. I'm rethinking that now. I'm up to maybe a 5. I'm like, it could hold. It may not. Yeah. I don't think I'm sleeping much tonight at all.